following county: Tehama, California. The National Weather Service in Sacramento has issued a flash flood warning for South Central Shasta County in Northern California, North Central Tehama County in Northern California, until 9:15 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 6:12 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include rural Shasta and Tehama County, Cottonwood Creek, Cow Creek, and portions of Highway 44 west of Shingletown. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles.